Thank you for joining us at the Empowered Influential Awards 2020 virtual event, presented by Spectrum Health. Congratulations to Aarie Wade, a 2020 Empowered Influential Award honoree. Aarie Wade, founder and CEO of the Black Book Exchange Box, is being honored with a 2020 Empowered Influential Connector Award.
Hi, I'm Aarie Wade, founder and CEO of the Black Book Exchange Box. I'm honored to be selected as the 2020 Empowered Influential Connector Honoree. The Black Book Exchange Box was founded in 2019 with a mission to represent Black literature by making it easier to share, explore, and read Black books that were written by Black authors and celebrate Black culture. I want to thank Kendra McNeil, Ilya Luster-Weber, Emory Wade of Wade Services, and the Grand Rapids Neighborhood Match Fund for making this all possible.
Introducing Empowered Talent, a diverse job board and talent center, advancing opportunities for Black, Hispanic, Asian Pacific, and Indigenous Native American students and professionals in West Michigan. Find your next internship, career, or diverse hire at talent.empoweredx.com.